Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Soon it is time again for the most spectacular season in Japan, well, besides basically any other season. Cherry blossom or sakura blooming. If you are not already in Japan, it might be difficult to witness it in 2022 if the country is still closed for tourism. Although if you are lucky, you might be able to travel and participate in the Hanami, which can be translated to English as cherry blossom viewing or enjoying the transient beauty of flowers. We saw that spectacular happening in 2019 and spent some time walking around the most beautiful areas in Kyoto. I thought I'd share with you guys our favorite cherry blossom spots in the city, some hidden gems as well, which you can enjoy if you are visiting. Before I start the list, let me add, please give a thumbs up to the video if you liked it and subscribe for more if you have not done it yet. Thank you very much, and now let's get into our top 5 cherry blossom spots in Kyoto. Number 1. Kiyomizu Dera. The area is beautiful and it is but a nice walk away from the station, which allows you to see even more of the trees and their magnificent blossoms. The temple sits on a mountain which provides amazing view not only on the flowers but the surroundings too, although it tends to be extremely busy since it is one of the most popular tourist attractions. Nevertheless, the temple area consists of multiple buildings and it holds invaluable historical treasures, not only natural, therefore it sits high on our list. Number 2. The small temples. If you are prepared to go off the beaten track, that one is clearly for you. Many small temples can be found and visited in Kyoto, which holds many advantages. You will avoid the crowd and you might be able to witness Zen peace just by being there and taking in the view and silence. Many of these temples have magnificent cherry blossom trees. If you are a photographer or Instagram is your thing, it is a must-do. Most of these temples are on the Philosopher path and the way up to the Kiyomizu Dera. Number 3. Shogunzuka. It is one of the hidden gems because you need to take a hike up there. No bus lines there and we couldn't get a taxi either. But before you can hike up, you actually need to find a path. Now I can show you on this little map above. It starts just behind the Shionin temple. You walk towards the Great Bell and behind that you will find a small staircase and a fence with a door on it. Be careful, they close this after 4 p.m, so you might want to take this into consideration unless you want to walk the long way or jump over. It is worth though. People don't know generally this place exists and it contains all that is fun for an adventurer. Beautiful hike, some old cemetery and a well-deserved lookout point where you can see the whole city, not just the cherry blossoms. They say this was the spot that the emperor first surveyed the valley and decided to establish the ancient capital of Kyoto. The area holds also a temple which is known as one of the oldest dojos or martial arts schools in Kyoto. Number 4. Philosopher's Path. The path got its name from the monks who walked here between the temples, and truth to be told, you will find plenty of them. Many are absolute hidden gems where you can enjoy beautiful Japanese gardens. Take some time to see some of them, I guarantee you're not gonna regret it. The road itself is beautiful, although quite crowded, but it is one of the best spots also to check out thousands of sakura trees while taking amazing pictures of the river and the puddles in the water. Number 5. Ninna-Ji. It is listed as one of the best places for Hanami, which unfortunately also means you will share the experience with thousands of people running around with huge cameras to capture this time of the year. And so, since they are trying to limit the number of people, you have to pay entrance fee just to walk and check out the sakura trees. This might be a nuisance, but I have to admit we didn't regret it, the trees are indeed spectacular. The temple itself is also beautiful. If you are there, recommend it to check it out. And last but not least, +1, the streets. Despite all the above, undoubtedly the easiest way to see sakura trees is to walk around. You will not be able to pass anywhere in Kyoto without seeing trees on the streets. So, although it is highly recommended you check out our favorite top 5, in reality you will be able to admire the sakura season literally anywhere. Hope you liked the video and you will come back to join more adventures with the Vagabond turtle. See you soon!